When can a birth injury or a medical malpractice case settle? Want to know the answer to the question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a birth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today about that question. All right, so you're thinking about bringing a birth injury or birth trauma case or medical malpractice case, and the question is, well, when can it settle? Is there a specific time frame that attorneys have to follow in regards to settlement? And the answer to that question is, in general, no, there is not a specific time frame. Cases can settle they can settle before a lawsuit is filed. In other words, the other side can reach out to the other side and say, look, this is what we got going on. Is it possible to work this out pre-suit? Sometimes that can happen. The case can settle after the lawsuit is filed, anytime all the way up until when you get to your jury trial or before the jury comes back. So as it pertains to settlement, there is no formula as to when a case must settle. Generally, what we will see is, especially in birth trauma and medical malpractice cases, as the case makes its way through discovery, in a lot of instances, that is during that process, conversations may open up in regards to settlement. Now, in some jurisdictions, you may have mediation that you must do, and remember, during a mediation, a case can settle during that time frame too. Sometimes, I've had this to happen where mediation will break down that day or whatever. It doesn't work itself out then, but a little bit down the line, before trial, the case may settle then. And so I hope that you can see during this process, there is no set in stone, time frame as to when a case must settle. Now, before I get out of here, I want to also make sure that you understand that whose decision is it to settle a case? Is it the lawyer's decision, or is it the plaintiff, the person who has the case? Well, you probably have guessed it. It is going to be the plaintiff or the client. It is their determination as to settlement. What your attorney can do, and I just shot a video about the importance of listening to your attorney, so make sure you check that video out also. But your attorney is going to help you during this process. Your attorney is going to, like I said in that other video, talk to you about the pros, the strengths of your case, and also going to talk with you about the cons, the problems of your case. And your attorney can help you get to that decision. If let's say the case settles for amount X, and you're talking with your attorney may say, you know what, look, this X amount that they're giving you, it's within the range of what I can see a jury doing with these set of facts. Your attorney might say, you know what, I don't know, that number, you still got to think about your medical bills, you've got those outstanding, you've got lost wages, there may be some other things that are out there. So your attorney is going to help you make that determination, but ultimately, it is your decision, the client or the plaintiff, it is your decision as to settle the case or to go ahead and move it on straight up to trial. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Before I leave, I also want to make sure that you understand that if you've got specific questions about your settlement or your mediation, you want to make sure that you let your specific attorney field those specific questions. All right, that's going to be it, like I said, for this video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here at Boston Law Group LLC. We will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.